All right, let's talk about your favorite candy. So think about it, having a bag. Let's say you have your favorite candy in there, and there's different flavors, but there's some that you want, there's some flavors that you don't want. So we're gonna reach inside a bag and pick a certain flavor based on how many candy we have in the bag. So it should be pretty easy, right? But you're not looking though. That's the key to this. So let's see. It says the bag contains 10 pieces of flavored candy, 4 lemon, 3 strawberry, 2 grape, 1 cherry. 1 piece of candy will be randomly picked from the bag. What is the probability that the candy is not grape flavored? Okay, so here's what we have before we put the book down. So the total is 10 pieces. So we got 4 lemon. Lemon probably tastes nasty. 3 strawberry. 2 grapes. 2 grape flavored. And 1 cherry. Alright. So we want to know what's the probability that we don't pick grape. So think about the bag right here this way. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's lemon. Let me find something that looks more like lemon. 1 second. So about 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are the lemon candies. Think about the strawberries. 1, 2, 3. We got 3 strawberry, and we got 2 grapes. Let's see if this can do grape. 1, 2. Ooh, that sounds like more like grape. And then we got a cherry. Green cherry. That will do it. All right. So what we don't want is we don't want these guys right here. So how many can we pick out of the 10? So out of the 10, we can pick everything except for these 2. So how many can we pick? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're gonna leave these 2 out. So out of the 10, we're gonna pick 8. 8 over 10, which is, simplify, 4 over 5. 4/5. So this is the probability of not picking a grape candy, a grape flavored candy. So we don't want this guy. We don't want these right here. We don't want them. Everything else tastes good, I guess. We're done. I don't think lemon tastes good. But we don't want the grapes. All right, so it's 4 out of 10. 4 out of 10, and which is the answer. So if you enjoyed this video, please share it on your page, and you'll help a lot of kids taking the ACT and the SAT exam. Thank you very much. Bye.